Hello guys, it's been a while. Welcome again to another property review, and right now we are here at West Fairview, Quezon City, at nandito kami sa napaka-peaceful, napakaganda, at hindi mo mafe-feel na nasa city ka. So, inside the village of West Fairview, Quezon City. And again, my name is Leonard, a marketing specialist of EDJ Realty, and you are now watching The Real Estate Writer. Hello guys! I know that you're excited para mag-house review na tayo. But before that, let's proceed muna sa ating motovlog. Kailangan nating malaman yung mga malalapit na establishments like hospital, schools, and also mall and supermarkets para malaman ninyo kung talagang para ba sa inyo talaga to property nito based on its location. Alright, let's go ahead and mag-motovlog na tayo guys. Alright guys, nandito na tayo ngayon sa motovlog part ng video na to. So, samahan nyo kami ni Quiz J na mag-ikot-ikot dito. So, first, unahin na muna natin yung mga supermarket or mall. Dito lang makikita natin yung Pure Gold North Commonwealth. It is just 3.2 kilometers away from the property, and kung ita-drive natin to, 10 minutes lang po siya. And of course, yung Fairview Center Mall, along Regalado lang to. So, it's only 1.8 kilometer or 8 minutes pag dinanay po natin. Malapit to sa MRT 7 Regalado stations po. 1.8 kilometer lang. Yung hospital, yan, importante yan. So, makikita natin dito na malapit lang to sa FEU Medical Center and also Marian Medical Center. So, mga hospital po yan, and those are just 5 minutes away from the property. 1.2 kilometers lang po yung layo. Ace Diagnostics, based kasi sa Google review, napakaganda daw dito. So, this is just 3.1 kilometer away or just 9 minutes from the property. And of course, kailangan natin ilagay ito ang New Era General Hospital kasi napakaganda ng service dito ng hospital na to since COVID days. Ang daming napagaling dito. So this is just 9.2 kilometers away, and since this is just near Commonwealth, 19 minutes lang po to. At syempre, kailangan nating i-consider kung malapit ba to sa school. Sobrang lapit po sa school na to. The Falcon School, 2 minutes lang po yan. Less than 1 kilometer lang po yung layo. Maganda pong school to, itong Falcon School. And also, itong Hope Integrated School. That is just 650 meters away from the property. So, 2 minutes lang po siya. Yun lang po yung ating vlog as of now, and babalik na tayo sa property. Hello guys! Ayan, nandito na tayo ngayon sa property, dito sa location na to. And of course, ano bang iniintay natin? Pasukin na natin yung property. So guys, this will be your entrance. This is the main gate of this property, and what I like about this property, sa labas pa lang, talagang makikita mong elegant yung pagka-finish. Why? So, meron tayong of course doorbell. And ang nagustuhan ko dito sa labas is they managed to put this LED lights design, di ba? Magsimula dito hanggang doon, paligid ng property may LED lights tayo. So yung pagka-modern contemporary niya, kuwang-kuha nila. So gusto ko yung part na yun. Excited na ako. Sukin na natin. So yung gate nila, sa gate pa lang, malalaman na natin na talagang matibay ito kasi steel tong gate na to. Mabigat. Actually, mabigat siya guys. Hindi siya basta-basta mapapasok ng mga masamang loob. Okay? Alright guys, pagpasok pa lang natin, nakita nyo from the gate, you will notice that nakaapak agad tayo dito sa floor na to, and ang tiles na ginamit dito is homogeneous tiles. Tibay, hindi basta mababasag. And ganito talaga yung design niya, di ba? Flat. Hindi siya glossed. And bago natin pasukin yung main door, dito muna tayo sa first room ng property na to. And this is the driver's room. So, ito. Driver's room, makikita nyo, hindi siya kulob kasi meron siyang window dito. Kung gusto nyo magpalagay ng at least window type na aircon 0.5, pwede dito. And may privacy si driver kasi meron siyang own toilet and bath. Kami ko si Jave yan. Okay, so This particular room, kung wala kayong driver, pwede nyo gawing guest room. Diba? So, tara! So guys, upon getting this property, meron na kayong garden. May pocket garden na kayo dito. As you can see, may ano tayo dito, mga graba and the steps. Alright? At papunta tayo ngayon dito sa part na to in which you will get this plunge type pool. And again, this property, tingnan nyo naman, what I like about this property is it has a 191 square meters of lot area, and this can be, pwedeng ano to pwedeng dalawang car yung mapapark natin dito. It's 2-car garage, guys. And this is your car entrance. So, tingnan nyo naman kung gaano katibay. Diba, mabigat yung gate. And upon getting this property, ito yung space na makukuha mo pa rin. So, pwede ka pang mag-park dito ng isang car. And since this is a corner lot property, we're not saying that sa inyo tong lot na to. No. So, it's still part of the village. Pero since corner lot kayo, if you have visitors, if you are conducting any party or celebration sa house ninyo, pwede kayong kapag-park dito. And this can be parang bonus na lang, di ba? Kung makukuha nyo itong property na to, makakapag-park kayo dito ng at least 10 cars. So, pasukin na natin yung property, guys. Papasok na tayo ngayon sa property. As you can see, this door. Huge door talaga siya. Nakausap ko si seller, sabi ko sa kanya, tinanong ko siya, what kind of wood is this? Sabi niya sa akin, yung mga main door daw nila, dito, tsaka sa loob ng property, is made up of solid wood nara. Matibay. Masasabi mo na secure ka dito kasi this property is filled up of 12 CCTV's camera. Alright, pasukin na natin yung property. So, as you can see, may doorbell doon, may doorbell din dito. Diba? So, tara. Okay. Smart lock na rin po yung door po nila. And napakabigat. Grabe. Laki. Ang bigat. Alright. Dito na tayo ngayon sa loob ng property. And this is your living area. And makikita nyo na meron tayong AC. This is a 6 horsepower na floor-mounted AC. LG na po yung, yung brand. And ito yung bubungan sa inyo. Yung kitchen area. So meron kayong center aisle, parang this can serve as table na rin di ba? Pero pwede kayo dito mag-prepare ng food para magluto, and ang ganda ng finish. Itong kitchen nila, meron siyang induction. So this is an Immerflex brand, 2-layer induction. Meron na rin siyang range hood na kasama pag in-avail nyo to. And look at the cabinets, guys. Bumagay talaga yung kulay na ginamit ng cabinet sa, sabihin natin, sa design ng bahay. So yung mga handles, medyo may pagka-gold and flesh. So yun, makikita natin yung exhaust sa range hood. May access siya doon. So maraming cabinets here. And this is a 2-layer sink. Ang sabi sa akin ni owner that every sink has a multi-point heater. So, multi-point heater. Alright, dito naman tayo sa dining area. Guys, imagine, ito yung dining area nyo, di ba? Napakalawak. Pwede kang maglagay dito ng a long dining table, at least pang 12 person na dining table. At kung nagtitipid kayo ng kuryente at medyo presko naman talaga dito, hindi kayo gagamit ng AC, habang kumakain kayo, guys, imagine you have this kind of view. Di ba? Di ba, guys? Napakaganda ng pagkakadesign ng property na to. So again, libutin pa natin. So, upon entering the door, ito yung toilet and bath sa first floor ng property. At dito yung mga breaker natin. Yung main switch, lahat po yan. Nandiyan po yan. Access po yan sa loob ng bahay. Dito muna tayo sa may part na to. Okay guys, napansin nyo na yung refrigerator sa kitchen ay wala, diba? So, ang sabi ni seller sa akin, itong area na to is your pantry area. So, dito natin ilalagay yung ref, yung fridge natin. And itong part na to, the maid's room. Ito yung maid's room natin. Okay naman siya kasi meron siyang sariling toilet and bath. Sama natin. Alright. At dito, itong part na to, ito yung service area, your everyday dirty kitchen. Alright? Dito yung, pwede kayong Don't mind the things or the stuff there. Doon yung space ng washing machine. And dito kayo pwedeng magluto. At ang access nito ay dito sa car garage and the plunge pool. Okay, akyatan na natin yung property. Proceed na tayo sa second floor. Alright guys, andito na tayo ngayon sa second floor and this is your hallway. So, more than 1 meter po yung lapad. Maganda. Kasi ito yung gusto ko pag may hallway. Yung feel mo talaga na may space ka. Di ba? Meron kang door dito, sliding door. Ito yung access mo ng balcony. Di ba? Meron kang ganyang view and then imagine, makikita mo dito yung family mo nagbabanding. Right? Dito sa balcony pa lang na to. Alright guys, dito naman, ang unang room na papasukin natin ay yung junior master's bedroom. So, makikita nyo na yung door na ginamit, grabe. Malaki. Mataas. Matagkad yung door. And then, mabigat. Solid wood nara. And this is your junior master's bedroom. Yung split type aircon. And then, ito yung space. Ito yung mga electrical sockets for TV, for internet, and everything. And I forgot to tell you guys na this property has an intercom feature. So, pwede kayong may telephone dito Pwedeng lagyan ng telephone. And dito naman tayo sa walk-in closet, guys. Since this is a junior master's bedroom, meron siyang walk-in closet. Imagine, junior master's bedroom pa lang to So, dito, spacious yung toilet. Makeover na rin yung for the shower. May partition na. Regarding the glass, so meron siyang touchscreen siya. Meron siyang ilaw. May effect siya. Good for Instagram. Dito naman tayo guys sa part na to. So, the junior master's bedroom has an access for you to get to your own balcony. So, dito yung balcony mo guys. And this is your view. Ay, imagine. Yan na naman ako, mapag-imagine, di ba? Gigising ka, tapos ito yung view mo. Right? Napaka-peaceful. Parang wala ka sa Quezon. Parang wala ka sa QC di ba? Parang nasa province ka, ganito kaganda. Mapuno, di ba? Worth it. Okay, dito naman tayo sa master's bedroom, guys. So, this is your master's bedroom dito. Again, solid wood nara, yung pinto. Napaka-spacious naman nito, ang lawak. May AC na rin, split type. And then, this is your walk-in closet. Bumawi si master's bedroom pala sa floor area ng master's bedroom itself. And then, for the walk-in closet, ganda na itong property na ito, grabe. Kaya excited akong i-feature ito And then, ito yung toilet and your sink. Medyo nakulangan lang ako sa sink kasi since kung master's bedroom to, dapat may his and hers, di ba? And then yung bath, meron kayong privacy dito. Ito yung shower. Alright. So, syempre, since master's bedroom, meron kang access sa balcony. So, ito yung balcony ng master's bedroom. Same balcony with the hallway. Ito yung view mo, master's bedroom. Tara, dun tayo sa third floor, guys. Okay guys, yung stairs natin, kung makikita nyo, may ilaw na siya. May ilaw na yan. Malaking tulong yan, lalo na paggabi. Pero imagine, kahit umaga, pag umaga, kahit di ka mag-ilaw, maliwanag na maliwanag pa rin. Okay guys, nandito na tayo sa third floor. And as you can see, itong area na to, this is the family area. So may AC dito. Pwede kayong mag-bonding. Pwede kayong maglagay ng videoke. At dito, sa part na to, this is the bedroom. Dito sa first bedroom ng third floor. So may closet dito. And what I like about this is, nilagyan na lang ng design na fluted. Parang ano to PVC. So may fluted wall dito, wood-inspired PVC. Maganda yung ano. And then same with the room number 2. Same lang sila ng design. Ay, actually hindi. Ito dito, naka-ano kagad, bubungad sa'yo kagad yung mga cabinets. Cabinets naman dito. Yung kasing kanina parang shelves lang, di ba? So may split type aircon na rin. And then kung mapapansin nyo, the lights, iba-iba yung feature ng lights. May 3 features yung lights niya. Galing. Same with the other one. And this is your common toilet and bath for the 3rd floor. So, papakita ni Kuis Jave yan. Diba? Sobrang elegant ng mga toilet and bath, napansin ko lang. And of course, ito yung medyo highlight ng property. Itong part na to. Pwede kang magkape dito, mag-set up ng konting gathering, right? And then ito yung view mo. Actually guys, to give you an idea about this property, dito sa village na to, itong property lang na to ang merong ganitong design sa buong village. So almost 180 degree ng view ng village makikita mo guys. And this portion, ito pala, can be converted, itong part na to, can be converted into fitness room, gym, or office, or another guest room, di ba? So spacious naman siya. Meron siyang AC. Libreng AC. Ay, grabe. Ganda ng property. So mag-recap muna tayo guys. Tara. Alright guys, knowing that this property has a total lot area of 191 square meters. So nakita nyo naman na when it comes to lot area, hindi talaga siya, hindi ka nalugi. And also, medyo napagod ako sa pag house tour kasi this area or this property has a total floor area of 400 square meters. So imagine that, right? And knowing that this property as well has a good security because this property has 12 CCTV cameras. And ang nagustuhan ko dito sa property na to is yung extra 10-car garage sa labas. Since this is a corner lot, ito lang yung property na masasabi nating ganito yung design dito sa buong village. And sa harap pa nito ng property na to, meron kang jogging area. Di ba? Napakaganda. So yung mismong property, yung mismong bahay natin, meron siyang libre na yung mga 7 split type inverter AC units. Tsaka meron siyang floor mounted inverter AC sa living area. So sulit na sulit. How much is this property? Na-post to ng ibang mga platforms, mga YouTubers, realties, ng 36 to 37 million. But right now, it is only 30 million, guys. And this is slightly negotiable. Still negotiable pa rin. Dito tayo. Okay, guys. For you to have an idea about this property as well. This property, binilt siya hindi para ibenta. Binilt siya para tirhan ng owner. And right now, they're just having some thoughts of selling this property. And pag ganun yung dahilan, guys, yung ibig sabihin, based naman dun sa ginawa nating house tour, pinag-isipan talaga yung every detail and also every materials na ginamit sa property na to. So, yun nga, yung mga glass na ginamit is tempered glass. And then ito, yung nakapalibot na mga tiles dito is homogeneous tiles dito sa buong property na to, sa labas. And you have a pool, a plunge pool. And masasabi natin na talagang napakaganda ng property na to. Okay guys, thank you so much sa pagsama sa amin hanggang sa mga susunod na house tour review. And by the way, mag-subscribe po sana kayo at huwag nyo pong skip yung mga ads. Again, this is Leonard and I'm a marketing specialist of EDJ Realty and you are now watching The Real Estate Rider.